My name is Sam Brace. I'm the Senior Director of Customer Education and Community at Cloudinary. And great news, everybody. We have a brand new updated interface for our video player, as well as we now have support for iOS to be able to deliver that amazing video player inside with our SDKs. Joining us for this walkthrough of this really exciting time is Aditya and Paul from our product marketing team. So Aditya, talk to me about the new UI and the ability for us to work now in a bigger, greater way on mobile.
Absolutely, yeah. And before I dive into that, just a little context setting on our video player. So the Cloudinary video player is a HTML5 video player that's one of the most powerful tools used by many of our customers to deliver on-brand and custom video experiences. The power of Cloudinary video player is basically it comes pre-built with a lot of our optimization capabilities like progressive download and adaptive bitrate streaming. It also comes with the ability for you to customize and configure player controls, skins, backgrounds, etc., and even add features like subtitles and interactivity for your videos. So this is a power pack capability. And what we've done is we've really streamlined and made it easy for developers to use our video player and easily add video playback into their websites or apps. So it starts with a brand new UI where they can essentially configure the player experience and then side by side generate the code as well for it. So it's really all there for them to just pick that code up and embed it into their website or app. So it's as simple as that. And when Paul will demonstrate this, you'll really see the power of it. Another big improvement we've made here is we've simplified and streamlined the way you can leverage our video player for mobile apps. This is a very important and a growing channel for many of our customers. You know, when you think about the use of mobile apps today, it's widespread. E-commerce brands have shopping apps where they may have product videos that they may want to show. You have support or service-related apps that use videos to demonstrate how to or troubleshooting kind of content. We have even customers in the fitness industry who use us to power videos on their mobile apps to show fitness tutorials. So there's a widespread application of videos and mobile apps, and we want to make it really easy for developers to start integrating videos into their apps. At the same time, going to maintain a great performance, faster load time, and a great user experience. So be able to embed that video experience seamlessly into the design and overall navigation of the app. So the video player would really help with that. But with the new iOS SDK that we have, we also offer a video player class that can be wrapped on the default players that you get in iOS apps. And so this allows you to take advantage of all the goodness that comes with the Cloudinary video player that I mentioned in terms of optimization, customization, and at the same time ensure like a really great user experience.
Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. And I think we all can attest to this, especially the fact that we're creating a video today. That video is absolutely vital to many of these businesses, as you mentioned, many of the different types that are going to be there. So the fact that we're providing even more support, more customization opportunities, this is a wonderful thing that Cloudinary is able to provide to our customers today. So I am very, very excited to see it. So Paul, let's walk through this.
Sure. So I'll walk through the new configuration tool, and then I'll just give a quick look at some of the example code and the documentation for the iOS player. But this is the new interface. You saw it in Aditya's slide. It really creates a really great, powerful interface for customizing your player, for really looking at what's possible. You can start simply by switching out the video if you have one uploaded in your library, like I've done right here. Happens instantaneous. As I'm doing all of this stuff, you'll notice that the JavaScript code, the embed code is updating a bit with everything I do. So just walking through some of these tabs, We have some general configuration here. We can actually change the poster of the video. We can go with an auto, or we can choose a frame if we wanted. We can set some basic settings like autoplay. As you can see, this is all updating. Our API for the player is updating down here. We can loop. You can go into customization like you said. We can come in here. We can change the skin to the light skin if we wanted. Or we can come in here and make some customization. We have some on-brand colors. You can go down to the hex level to change your colors there. Add your custom logo if you want via a URL. And we have advanced features here too, which is really powerful stuff here. One thing that's important is progressive download. If you're doing progressive download, it gives you the ability to choose your codec, things like that. You can also choose your auto format, which will change the format of the video based upon your device type. And you can do things like choose adaptive. You can do HLS and PIG dash, things like that. And so this really just highly customizable, and everything is being updated down in here. The code, you can copy the code, you can embed this. So it's really powerful. Everything you're doing here is generating really simple to understand JavaScript that you can then embed into your pages. And when we talk about the iOS player, there's some great examples on the documentation. If you just do a search for iOS video transformations, we give some great examples here in Swift, which obviously is the language that a lot of iOS developers are going to be working in. So it really gives you a nice starting point for integrating this new native player for iOS.
Absolutely incredible. Absolutely, absolutely incredible. And Paul, as you're showing, once again, this is all readily available inside of the Cloudinary console. So when you're logging into your product environment, you can be able to apply this for any of the videos that you have already uploaded and are managed inside of your accounts today. So this is amazing news that they have all of this capability for customization right at their fingertips.
Yep. And the programmable media tab, it's down in the video analytics and player are both down here.